In today's video, I'll be making a step stool for toddlers using some 5/8 thick plywood. The first step is to create a template using some 1/4 inch MDF, which will be useful in a little bit at the router table. After tracing my sides on the plywood, I go to the table saw to cut my pieces down while trying to stay as close as possible to the lines. I also cut out the stair threads and risers at the same time, using another template I made. This helps to get all the pieces to the same length. Here you see me using the miter gauge with the handle at the top. This is useful when the pieces I'm trying to cut are just too wide for my small contractor table saw. By flipping the miter gauge, the piece is a lot more stable for the cut. Before finalizing the side pieces, I pre-drill some holes. I used a Forstner bit for the handles. This will give a nice round edge. I finished cutting the sides using a bandsaw and a jigsaw. Once again, I try to stay as close to the line as possible so when at the router table I get less chip out. I then realign my template back onto my piece to be able to use it at the router table. I use a flush trim bit that will follow the template and will provide me with two identical sides. Once I have my two pieces trimmed, I use a different bit to cut some roundover edges. I do this on both sides and the stair threads as well. Once all of that is done, it's sanding time. I will not bore you with that, but I did use a sponge add-on on my Orgros sander, so it's more gentle around the rounded edges. The final stage is the assembly. To help to align my pieces, I drill the screws so they peek out just a little bit. I use them similarly to the centering pins when using dowels. Once the screw location is marked, I pre-drill into the plywood to prevent it from cracking. No glue was used during the assembly because it's made to be de-assembled if needed. After some sanding, I applied 3 coats of water-based polyurethane and made sure to sand between coats. If you like what you saw or just want to encourage me, please subscribe to my channel and comment below. Until next time, thank you for watching.